Today's topic is how to grow orders on Amazon. Here are a few things to learn while you are a new seller. Number 1. Patience. It often seemed that the new seller did not get as much order as they should get in their early time period. You must keep in mind that it's a time-taking process. But if you once pass through the process, you will start getting order more than you think. Number 2. Pricing. Always try to set a competing price. Price difference should not be much. Do not set a lowest or highest price as compared to other products in that category or contender product. Number 3. Combo. If you want to increase you sell, then you should introduce combo. It's a buyer psychology. Buyer always wants maximum and minimum price, but should be qualitative. Sometimes a consumer needs only one item, but when he see combo he changed his mind and purchased. Number 4. Review. Review plays vital role, but try to avoid fake review strategy. Always prefer organic review, however it is time consuming. Number 5. Promotions. Advertise your product as much as you can. If you find it informative, then share it with others.